Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the registry editor is not working or opening properly on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing, if you'd open up the search menu and type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now copy and paste the command I'm going to have in the description of my video. And I want you to go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in once you have it on your device. Right click, select edit, and then paste it in. So you can see that the key is not valid here, which means that it's not already here. This is basically if there's something blocking the registry tools, and that's why we just ran that. Something else we can try here as well would be to type in SFC and then a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, and once that's done, you can see it did find corrupt files. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. You would have needed to restart your device regardless, based on that first command we ran, so just go ahead and restart your device at this time. And then hopefully at this point, if you attempt to open up the registry, you should be good to go. If you are still having a problem, something else you can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in GP edit. Best result, you come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. I'm going to make this window a little wider here. And on the left panel underneath user configuration, you want to double click on administrative templates and then select the system folder there. On the right side, locate where it says prevent access to registry editing tools. Go ahead and double click on it. And then select either not configured or disabled, either option. I'm just going to keep it at not configured. Select apply and OK to save it. And then again, you may need to restart your device, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.